Today we're going to be making a patriotic soap for the 4th of July. And I went ahead and started. I just used a blue base and poured it in because it's got to get a little bit thick before we pour the white layer on so we can swirl it. I've scented it with fresh picked watermelon, and I did add some sweet almond oil to the batch. So once you've got your first layer poured, you can see here that it's got like a thick skin. So I think we can pour our white. I wanted just to do this ahead of time, so hopefully we can get it unmolded and everything before the video ends. So that is pretty much set up. So I'm going to pour a layer of white. I like to go along the edges. Okay. I'm going to spray my bubbles out, but we're going to go ahead and swirl it. So, and I use this spoon. I think it's an ice cream spoon, and I use the end. And I'm just going to start in the corner, and I'm going to go ahead and just make a swirl through it like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray it again. And we need to let it set and get firm on the top so we can pour the red layer in. So we're going to let it just sit maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we'll be back and do the next stack. And as you can see, we got ourselves a little bit of a film on here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the red and pour it on the top. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. But that's okay. Let's spritz these bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and just do a slight drag mark through there. Get it in the corners. Okay, I'm going to spritz it. Maybe we'll give it a little bit of glitter. And I'm going to let it set up just a little bit, and then I'm going to take and put my my straws in, my paper straws. Okay, this is starting to set up. It's not really hard yet, but I'm going to take and put my straws in before it gets too hard. I made marks on my mold and then it faded away. So there's the first one. This makes 4 1-inch bars. So I'm going to try. Get this set. Okay, we're going to let them set and get hard, and then we'll come back and unmold it. I've taken and unmolded our 4th of July soap, It was a little tricky getting out of the mold because we have these little whirly bird straws in it. But it turned out okay. And I'm going to take and cut it. So I'm going to switch this and see if we can get it to cut even with our straws here. I have a soap cutter, the ones you buy at Michael's and stuff, but my brother gave me this putty knife and I like it better. It's more thinner and it cuts a better line, so I'm going to try use it. And we're going to do the first one right here. Well, it wants to come out, so we'll take it out. The end bar is going to be a little bigger. I'm not even going to try to cut off a little piece. Set them here. Here's our end. And the little top spin. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.